We're back. Episode 2 of fixing my wrecked Skyline with a GTR half cut. This will be the final video on the whole rebuild because it's getting painted tomorrow in about 24 hours. So I spent today trying to mess around with the body kit a little bit. The side skirts repaired, bulked up and fitting pretty good. This front bumper is giving me absolute troubles. It does not really want to sit at its home, but it's going to be good enough for what it is. It's going to be good enough for the time frame we've got. Bit nervous as we haven't been able to see it in one colour yet. We're just doing wet on wet with the primer, so we're not really going to get to see it in one colour until it's all said and done. Some of these repairs are a bit how you going, but at the end of the day, we're on a tight time frame. We're trying to get stuff done, so this is what you've got to kind of do. And it is a drift car. We have another Skyline above it, which is more of a show car, where we're doing a bit finer detail. This thing, it's get it done, get it on track, and go slay some tyres. And I think we've done pretty good. We started last weekend, so it's been 7 to 8 days. Haven't been working on it flat out, just in the afternoons and pretty much over the last 2 days on the weekend. But I've come pretty far, so I'm pretty stoked. Slap up a picture of this thing not having a rear end on it because I tore it off hitting barriers. Throw up a video of me hitting barriers too. Shout out to Hammer Coatings. They've sent us the paint we're about to use, and I'm not doing their product any justice with this paint job, but we'll just jam it on here, get it nice and shiny with that elite clear and then beautiful colours, and we should be good to go. Just quickly, them front wheels are Tesla rims, bro. Tesla rims look pretty good without the caps. They look pretty good with caps. Marketplace, bro, like $200. So although this bumper's not really sitting properly, I'm still playing with it. Come with a bit of a genius plan on how to get it on and off. But on the sides, hidden away under our canards, whatever you call them, there's a bolt with a split pin in it, and that bolt is bolted onto the guard. So yeah, you just put the splitty in there, and if you want to pull it off, you pull the splitty out. Bumper removal. Job done. But yeah, not too much left to do. These mirrors are a bit munted. I need to sand them a bit more. I need to put the other side skirt on. Strong bolts holding the front bumper on. Lots of nut and bolt holding the back on. Still gotta do that. But then holding the side on, sorry. Then for the back bumper, zip ties. Because this little catchment always gets caught on things, you're better off snapping the zip ties and the bumper staying in one piece rather than ripping that part of the bumper off. So that's why I use zip ties on the back, because it can literally just come off as one piece and break the zip ties. It's time. For the record, the old boy is not happy with the preparation. He doesn't want his name associated with this paint job. But it's alright, painter will fix it. Oh, it's squirtle in my water.
Squirtle. That's what I'm trying to think of the name.
Squirtle squirtle.
What are you doing,
I
bro?
haven't even started painting, I'm tired. Alright, we're at Connor's shop. He's let us use the booth so we can get it up to temperature, because it is currently, let me tell you, freezing. Oh, it's actually pretty good today. 7 degrees at 6 o'clock at night. 6 o'clock at night. So we've got the car in there, all masked up, taped up, ready to go. We're going to do this wet on wet primer. Never used it before, see how it goes. And let that flash off and then put some colours on it. I'm going to chuck a camera in there for a time lapse, but yeah, big colour reveal soon. Big colours reveal. Reveal of the colours.
Real of the colours?
Colour, yeah.
Beautiful.
I haven't mentioned it yet, I don't think.
Haven't mentioned it at all?
No. It's not on the camera.
Oh, be interesting.
Oh.
If you're into cars and your lovely lady isn't here with a beautiful smile bringing you dinner at like 6 o'clock at night because you've been working on your car all week and she's sick looking after her baby, get a new missus.
Exactly.
Or probably just hang on to the one you got because probably the best you're going to get.
Yeah,
This
probably.
one's taken.
Probably. Very true. Very true. Okay. Man has a flat.
Step 1 complete. Check that out. Elite clear. You know what they say?
What do they say?
Premium means good. You know what they say about elite?
Good?
Means the best.
Yeah, right.
You like the colour of the car? I'm asking you, Olive. Do you like the car? What colour is it?
It's blue.
Once again, big shout out to Hammer Coatings for giving us this beautiful paint. I mean, I'm going to say I outdid myself on this colour choice. It is astonishing. I love the silver and over to the blue. And of course we had to sprinkle a little bit of sparkle in there as well. Fuck, you look so fast.
Fuck yeah, bro.
First job is getting some tail lights in. Now we all know Skylines have the iconic red circles, but I think the red and blue clashes a bit too much. So I'm going to show you how to change these from red to clear, and we'll get these things bolted in. So the red on here is just the lens, and when you pull this lens off, it leaves quite a cool effect beneath. I'll get them off and I'll show you. Doing some finishing touches on this thing. Waiting for the window to get done. Got the tail lights and stuff in. But gotta paint these wheels because pink and blue look shit. The bronze is alright, but might as well make them all the same. So what I was thinking about just doing the silver, like on the front of the car. But then I was looking down, I'm like, damn, them Tesla rims are kind of a cool blue grey. This is like a lighter cool blue grey. So what I'm going to do is mix some of this silver with some of the old paint, which was Toyota Starlight Black. I'm just going to try and mix a little bit of this with silver and see what we come up with. I've never mixed paint before, so figure this out as we go. Yeah, I've got a bit in there. I'll add a little bit of black at a time and we'll try and match them wheels. Yeah, she black, but if I hold the camera right, see it's got a gold pearl situation going through it. I don't know how much to do, I'm just going to do a drop to start with. Like that, or a bit more, Alright, that's it. Well, it's definitely gone darker. Might need to go a bit more, but it's definitely different. I just dripped paint all over them. Oh, it's pretty close actually. I might put a bit more black in, just a smidge. It's definitely a few shades darker. Definitely. Alright, that'll do. Clean these dogs off and get them done. Is that going to be enough? Hope so. Super cheap auto gun, bought it years ago, it still sprays pretty decent. Bro, them things look fucking hectic in person. Yeah, dude. Love it. Very satisfied. And once again, Canberra is putting on a cracker of a day, but it's meant to rain all week next week. But anyway, I don't know where these clips are going in, but I'm going drifting soon, so expect to see some of that. And we're going to get back onto the Datsun real soon, as well as we're going down the coast to work on that Ratty 2 RB30 swapped HQ. Got a turbo, got a manifold, etc. So we're going to get it wired up, get it started up, and start turbo swapping the dog. Yeah, baby, turbo rat rods. I can't think of a single thing that would go wrong. See y'all.